Happy morning, all of you. My name is Mr. Khadangle Pankaj. Yesterday, we have started third chapter. Our chapter's name is Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Okay. In this chapter, we have learned 2 points: period of unrest and the brave Maratha Sardars. In this, what we have learned, period of unrest, that at this time 2 sultans were there. Which were those 2 sultans? Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. Okay, these 2 sultans were fighting continuously. So this period was of unrest. Then what we saw, the brave Maratha Sardars. These brave Maratha Sardars, they were loyal and fearless. They were fearless and loyal to their master. Okay, and these sultans were using these Maratha Sardars and their armies for fighting purpose. So again, what we saw, at that time many Sardars were there, and if that Sardar have his own army, his private army, and if he used to go to Sultan was giving him employment, otherwise he used to give him Jagir. And such Maratha Sardar who got Jagir, he was thinking himself as a king or as a Raja of that kingdom. Okay, this much study we have seen these some Maratha Sardars, Jadavs of Sindakhed, Nimbalkars, Fulton, Ghorpade, Mudhol, Morez, Javli, Bhosles, Verud. Okay, and these hard words we have learned. What? Preach, to give a talk. War, fight. Fearless, courageous. Loyal, faithful. Spear, dart. Here I have shown you picture also. Sword, brand. Here you can see picture. And cavalry, soldiers who fought on the horseback. Okay, this much we have learned yesterday. Now today we are going to start next point. Third point we are going to start now. See, our next point is tradition, valor. Tradition of valor. Tradition of valor. Now first word, who can tell me valor means what? Come on, think. Tradition of valor. So what is meant by valor? Valor means courage or brave. Valor means courage. The tradition of valor means tradition of courage that we are going to learn here. See, first I will read. You are going to put your index finger on the line. See, all these Sardars were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. They never thought that they should unite and do something for their own people. So all their valor and bravery served the interest of others. Even so, they kept alive the warlike spirit, especially among the young. Many famous soldiers were born in their families who kept alive the tradition of valor. Among the famous families, the Bhosles of Verur showered great bravery and enterprise. Okay, this much we are going to see first. See, valor means what we have seen? Courage. Valor means courage. So see, all these Sardars were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. Now we have seen Sardars. Which Sardars we have seen? Jadavs, Nimbalkar, Mores, Ghorpades. These famous Sardars we have seen. And they were brave also. They had potentials. They had proper courage, that proper potential. But they were sworn enemies of each other. From some of them, they were sworn enemies of each other. Means always they were fighting. Suppose Nimbalkar got this much area as a kingdom. Then Ghorpades got this much. Like this. We are taking an example. So what they were thinking? That this one is my area, this one is my area. Okay? And these people only they were fighting with each other. They were also fighting with each other. Like those sultans, Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. How they were fighting? Like them only, these Sardars were also fighting with each other. They were not thinking that if we people will be unite, we can do something better from these sultans. Whatever work we are doing for these sultans, instead of that, we can do same work for our people, for ourselves, for our state people. We can do something helpful. They were not thinking like this. What is mean by unite? Who knows? Unite means come together for same purpose. Come together for same purpose. Come together for same purpose. See, these people, they were fighting with each other. They never come together. If these people come together, they can do something great work for their people. But they were fighting, and who was taking their benefit? Sultans. Who was taking their powers benefit? Sultans used to take their benefit. Okay? So next one, see. Okay. So all their valor and bravery serve the interest of others. What? All their valor. Valor means courage. All their courage, it serves interest of others. Whose interest? Sultans. For whom they were working? They were working for sultans, Adil Shah and Nizam Shah. So whatever courage was there in those people, it was used for the interest of those sultans. Okay? Do you understand this much? Do you know story of two cats? Two cats found cake and they were fighting to take it, and then one monkey comes there. And that monkey, what he did, he have made two portions of that cake. One was big, one was small. And he used to put in a balance. Again it seems that one is more bigger one and one is smaller one. So he used to eat some part of bigger one. And again he used to count it. Again it was unbalanced. So like this, again and again he used to eat it. And at the last, cake was finished. So whatever work those cats did, they got benefit? No. Who got the benefit? That monkey. Yes, same story we have to keep in mind, that our Sardars were like cat and those sultans were like monkeys. Okay, The Sardars were fighting among themselves, and who was getting benefit? Sultans. Okay, understood? Very good. See, even so, they kept alive the war like spirit. What? These sultans, sorry, these Sardars, they kept alive the war like spirit. They have kept it as it is. They have not stopped it. They have kept it as it is. Especially among the young. And especially they have kept it alive in young people. Many famous soldiers were born in their families. Many famous soldiers were born in their families who kept alive the tradition of valor. See. In this Sardar's family, many brave soldiers were born. Among the famous families, the Bhosles of Verur showered great bravery and enterprise. Among these, what? Among all these Sardars, we have seen now famous Sardars, Jadavs, Nimbalkar, Mores, Ghorpades. Okay, among all these, Bhosles of Verur showered great bravery and enterprise. Do you understand? Very good. So, today what we have to keep in mind? See, our Sardars, they were fighting with each other, and who was getting its benefit? Sultans. Okay? So, valor means courage. Unite means come together for some purpose. Do you understand? Okay. So, today you are going to read this paragraph 2 times loudly in front of your parents. Okay? And today's homework you will get on the screen at the last. So, thank you for watching this video. Tomorrow again we will meet with the same topic. Thank you very much.